Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is what you call the union of four segments. In this quadrilateral, we have ABCD, BDCA, DCAB, and CABD. Next, we may identify line AB and line CD together with line BD and line AC as consecutive sides. Aside from that is line AB and line BD, then line CD and line CA are also consecutive sides. For the consecutive angles, we have angle A and angle D, then angle B and angle C. It may also be angle A and angle B, or angle D and angle C. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Line AB is parallel to line CD, and line BC is parallel to line AD. Opposite sides are congruent. Line AB is congruent to line CD, and line BC is congruent to line AD. Diagonals bisect each other. Line AQ is congruent to line QC, and line BQ is congruent to line DQ. A rectangle, a parallelogram with four right angles. Opposite sides are congruent. Line AB is congruent to line DC, and line BC is congruent to line AD. Opposite sides are parallel. Line AB is parallel to line DC, and line BC is parallel to line AD. Diagonals bisect each other. Line AQ is congruent to line QC, and line DQ is congruent to line BQ. It has four right angles. Angle A, angle B, angle D, and angle C are right angles. Diagonals are congruent. Line AC is congruent to line BD. A rhombus, a parallelogram with four congruent sides. A rhombus has all properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Line AB is parallel to line DC, and line BC is parallel to line AD. Diagonals bisect each other. Line AQ is congruent to line QC, and line BQ is congruent to line QD. All sides are congruent. Line AB is congruent to line BC, is congruent to line CD, is congruent to line AD. Diagonals are perpendicular. Line AC is perpendicular to line BD. Diagonals are bisectors of opposite angles. Angle CBD is congruent to angle BDA, while angle DAC is congruent to angle BAC. A square is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. has 4 right angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are right angles. Diagonals are congruent. Line AC is congruent to line BD. A kite. A quadrilateral with 2 pairs of adjacent sides congruent and no opposite sides congruent. A kite has 2 distinct pairs of congruent sides. Angle AB is congruent to angle BC and angle AD is congruent to angle CD. It has a pair of congruent angles. Angle A and angle C are congruent. And the diagonals of a kite are perpendicular.